What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install the latest iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone. The iOS 18 beta version is out and you can install it on your iPhone by accessing your Settings app. From here, head to the General section. Select Software Update and then Beta Updates. Make sure to set this option to iOS 18 developer beta and head back to your software update settings. You should be able to see this iOS 18 Beta 2 option available for download. In case the beta updates are not showing up on your device, you can enable them by enrolling your device. Open up your Safari browser and navigate to beta.apple.com. From here, sign in with your Apple ID and enroll your device. This should only take a minute to complete. Next, open up your app switcher and exit the Settings app before reopening it. You can then head back to your software update settings and download the iOS 18 developer beta to your device before installing it. You might be required to use a Wi-Fi connection to install it, and you'll be able to switch back to the more stable iOS 17 version if you like on a later date. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.